But now when I dig deeper and I realize bana akekho.
Yeah. So and this Ingoma Zimnandi was Ingoma Zam. I know it doesn't sound like it,
Yes.
but I was trying to say, bana, Mam Tembu, I've been spending all this time this valele ngaphandle, so I can create Ingoma ezimnandi. Like
Yes.
Ewe, like Shake, like
Yes.
you know.
Yes.
So now, as a blower, akekho to uziva.
Okay.
Because when Ewe, Mam Tembu passed away, as Ewe was starting to pick up. Like that time, gone. So by the time they shoot to Shake, akekho.
And ke ngoku kunzima no enjoy ewe because nanihliziyo ibhlungu.
Yayibona ke ho. Yayibona ke ho. Heavy. But 122 with Ingoma Ezimnandi. Honestly, I never thought Ingoma Ezimnandi yayizopopa ala hlobo.
It had to.
I never, like, ndandingayibhaleli for upopa la ngoma.
Yeah,
And in fact, dayifihla